15 kW Generac standby generator keeps blowing the system fuse. Check the 4-year-old battery, was bad, replaced it but still blowing the fuse.
What's the make and model of the generator? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Generac Watchdog Model number 0053840. It's 10 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I'd like to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. What is the serial number of the genset?
Serial number 4,655,447.
Okay. This unit has 2 fuses. Which one is it blowing? Does it blow as soon as you install it? Only when you set the switch to auto? Only when you set the switch to run? Only after the unit has started?
As stated previously, it's the system fuse. With the old battery it would start and run but then blow the fuse the next time it ran on auto. With a new good battery just installed today, it blew upon trying to start it on run.
Okay. Open up the enclosure to the genset. Behind the controller, locate the starter relay and disconnect wire 56 from it. At the fuel shutoff solenoid, disconnect wire 14. Set the switch to run. If it still bows the fuse, stop and let me know. If it does not blow, reconnect wire 14, and set it to run. The engine will not crank with wire 56 disconnected. If it blows, then there is a short in the fuel shutoff solenoid. If it does not blow, reconnect wire 56 and set it to run. If the fuse blows, then there is a problem in the wiring or the starter solenoid.
Okay, I'll try it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, checked it out as you described and it seems to be the starter solenoid, but checking the owner's manual it shows the starter and solenoid as one piece. Do I have to get a new starter? Also, it looks like it's against the back wall with no access.
The starter solenoid is not available separately, you must replace the starter. But check wire 16 from the relay to the solenoid for shorts first. If it is shorted, it will cause the fuse to blow. If it is the starter, the enclosure must be removed to access it.
If wire 16 was shorted, shouldn't it blow the fuse right away, not later after the exerciser has been set?
Not necessarily. Wire 15 is what activates the start relay, but wire 16 is what actually activates the starter solenoid. If the wire had a bare spot that is sometimes grounding and sometimes not, it can cause the fuse to blow at any time during a crank cycle.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.